Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix send and receive iMessage not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to enable your iMessage but you're facing the issue that your send and receive iMessage has been stuck on waiting for activation. So let's see how can you fix that. So now to do that, you have to open your settings app from here. Then scroll down and you'll find the option of apps. Select that. Go for messages app from here. And from here you just have to enable your iMessage and you'll see the option of waiting for activations. You have to disable it again and then enable it and then retry until your iMessage sender receive enable. You just have to enable it, wait for almost 1 minute, then disable it, then try to enable it again until your send and receive option has been enabled. You can see my problem has been fixed, or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to make a force restart because it might be of your iPhone glitch. Now to fix that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to enable your send and receive option and your all issue will be fixed in your iMessage settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.